Welcome guys to another video. In this video I will show you how to connect Qwen 3.6 Plus free API to VS Code, and man, to say this is insane. See the coding speed I have given. One line command and it has created the total Flappy Bird game within one command, and it is giving me a wonderful reasoning, and even it has insane skills. So you can see it on the screen right now, and it is coding in a wonderful way. So now in this video I will show you the total guide how to get this API and integrate it with VS Code, Google Antigravity, and any another IDE which you prefer, but I do prefer only VS Code. So you can integrate this API in any IDE, even in Cloud Code, Google Antigravity, as well as Cursor, anything. Why? Because you are getting the API, so you can integrate it anyway. Okay, while we are talking, it has completed the total game mostly within under 1 minute, and yes, the task is completed. You can see over here. Let's open this in a browser. It has been stopped to auto open. Now we'll open it manually. Let's go to the folder which the file is over here. Open it. Let's see. Oh my god, this is insane. It has created the total game. Now let's play it. Oh my god, it's working wonderfully. Now I will show you the total guide how to get this in your system, in your setup, for totally free. And let's start the guide now. Open the browser, and every link is in description, so find it there. And the links are very important, guys, so you have to open with that links only to get that. Now open the spooter.com and make sure you sign in with Google. In this interface you won't get API key directly, so the reason why I said the links are important. So select any of your existing account, and after signing in, press on continue. After signing in, let it sign in. You will get a desktop type interface, so just ignore it. Get started. This is a desktop type environment. In this environment you can't find any API key, but there is a way to find the API key. Now copy this link. Okay, I will paste this in description. Now in new tab, open that link. See, this is the thing. This is the backend dashboard. So see, you can find our apps over here. Install appments, that is the desktop interface. The main thing is account. Here you can find the code, and here you can see the usage of your API. Now let's dive to the accounts. Here you can find the code, API code. Okay, now open the VS Code and open your folder. I'm opening the test folder as usual to test the code. Now after opening, head to extensions and search for Cline. Even you can use continue, but I do like Cline. Sorry, Cline. Install it. After installing, close everything. And these are my previous installations for the video purpose, so I'm deleting it. You won't get it, so don't worry. Just close everything. Now open. So let's get into extension line. Now ignore this window as usual. Go for settings. In the settings, make sure you select OpenAI compatible. Now the base URL in the description, guys. They do not provide any URL base URL, so The description URL is very important. So yeah, only paste these values with your API key. Not with my API key anyway, I will delete them after the video. Yeah, copy it from here. Copy the key and paste it in API key section. And the model IDs is also important. Even they are providing another models too. I will release once I will make one more video about them. So just copy the model ID. Yeah, paste it and press on done. Now you can see it is working. Now let's give a demo prompt. I will create two games with one file. See, this is a basic prompt which I have given, and with very small information, and it has totally cooked insane, man. So that's why I like this Qwen 3.6 Plus. This is 3.6 Plus version, not a Olama thing, which is completely local and that will be very slow. And this are hosted in a perfect hardware. And see the coding skills over there, and even you can use this API with the chat interface also. Another applications if you want to do video even on that. So do in comments. I will do even that video how to use that API with the chat interface, not only the VS Code. Yeah, see, it is cooking in a wonderful way. Let it cook. Let us see how it is cooking. That is doing wonderful work. It is creating a blank page directly. I have just given one prompt and it is thinking, and it has given a wonderful reasons, bird, flies, and yeah. Even in future you want to AI comparison videos, even we can do that. Even we can do that also, guys. Let me know everything in the comments. What should I improve and what content you need about the AI. I'm a developer with 12 years plus experience in this field, so I can help you with any error or even the bug also. And just that is an auto open error. Yeah, let's open it manually. I have showed this video clip earlier. You can see the game. It is working. As we have shown this earlier. I have seen this. So this is working insanely. Now even we'll put different command, different prompt. Not only this flappy bird game, we'll even try this car racing game. Let's open this. Even I will provide this demo comments in the description. Now let's create a new chat. Let's give the prompt. Close this. Yeah, even close this. Now let's give the prompt. This is a car racing game. Even I don't know how it will create. We know about the flappy bird, but we don't know about this one. So this might be a different task for it. And even it is giving the perfect reasons and a perfect plan how to create it. Pollution detection. Yeah, it is thinking like a human only. Almost, not like a human, but almost. It is creating files very fast only, guys. Comparing to another APIs which I have tried, but they are not working as fast as this APIs. I do love this API provider. Thank you for it. A big shout out for them. Putter.com. Let it create, let it create. I'm not fast forwarding, guys. Why? Because you have to know the real time of the creation. Let it create. Even I will know the limits of the API and I will post in the pin comments. Yeah, do follow and subscribe Axe AI Lab for the updates about this API, which is a hidden gem. Let it create. And especially guys, don't worry about my audio, which is totally unprofessional, which I'm recording in a normal earphone. So please ignore it. Yeah, it has created. Yeah, it has created total. Yeah, it has. Yeah, it is auto opening the thing. Okay, we'll use arrow keys. Start. Mm, even sounds would do better. Yeah, this is better. Far better. Wonderful. Even we can. 1 minute. Let me play it. Play the game. Hmm. Even it is calculating high score and everything. Even it is maintaining a database within one HTML file with local values. That is local JS values. I think so. I'll see the code later on. Even if I press forward button, yeah, it is going fast. Yeah, this is wonderful, guys. This is wonderful. Now using this model, even we can create a beautiful websites, beautiful applications. And it's up to you how you use this model. And I like this model and see the two files. Everything is good for me, and I love this model. So that's it for this video, guys. We'll meet in next video, and let me know in the comments what video do you need and what topic you need in the next video, and let me know everything. And ignore my audio, ignore my audio problems. If there is anyone sponsoring me any type of microphone, so that would be happy for me. Do subscribe Axe AI Lab and like this video, share this video with everyone.